Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on Zengo. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To buy Bitcoin on Zengo app, first tap open your Zengo application. Also, make sure that you're logged into your account and you're inside the home page. Now, tap on the Actions tab at the bottom of the screen and tap on Buy button from the menu displayed. Now, from the Buy tab, select Bitcoin by scrolling down to the list of the assets you'll be able to see on the screen. Once you tap on the Bitcoin option, it'll take you to a website where it says buy.moonpay.com. Go ahead and type in the amount of money you are willing to spend in order to buy Bitcoin. But first, select your fiat currency by tapping on the USD drop-down and select one of the currency from the options. Now, once you choose your fiat currency, type in the amount you are willing to spend in the text box at the top. For example, I've chosen $500. You'll be able to see the amount of Bitcoin you'll receive right beneath, as you can see it on the display. Once you're sure you'd like to continue and buy Bitcoin, tap the Continue button at the bottom. Now, enter your email address and tap the Continue button at the bottom. Enter the verification code that has been sent to you via email. Simply open up your email service provider, and once you open up your inbox, you'll be able to receive an inbox from Zengo with MoonPay. Tap open the message and copy the code that has been shown in the display. Paste in the code that you received in the verification text box and tap on the Continue button at the bottom. Now, you'll need to go ahead and enter your billing address in order to process your payment. Enter a location and enter your address. And once you complete all of the information, tap the Continue button at the bottom. In order to buy a cryptocurrency on Zengo, you'll need to verify your identity legally. You'll need to verify yourself by taking a selfie and submitting your valid ID or passport document. Tap on the Continue button at the bottom and upload an identity document. Choose your country first at the top, and now choose the document type you're willing to verify with. Tap on the Continue button at the bottom and upload your documents as it asks you on the display. Once you go through your verification process, go ahead and follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be able to buy Bitcoin on Zengo. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.